Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today's topic is camping. As usual, I'll start by reading a short journal entry and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. Let's begin. 幾日前我同朋友去露營。我之前對露營好抗拒，因為我覺得瞓睡袋好辛苦。但係我嘅朋友約咗我好多次，佢成功說服我。我哋開車到郊野公園嘅停車場，再行10分鐘到營地。呢個營地嘅設施好簡單，冇水龍頭，淨係有溪水，而廁所係流動廁所。我哋喺營地住咗一晚，半夜突然落毛毛雨，不過冇受到太大嘅影響。第二朝食完早餐之後，我哋執嘢走人。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 露營、抗拒、睡袋、成功、停車場、營地、設施、水龍頭、流動廁所、毛毛雨。Now let's go through the keywords from the journal. First, 露營。露營 It means camping. 我同朋友喺幾日前去露營。I went camping with my friend a few days ago. Next, 抗拒。抗拒 This is the word for to be against. 我之前對露營好抗拒。I used to be very against camping. After that, 睡袋。睡袋 which means sleeping bag. 我覺得瞓睡袋好辛苦。I thought sleeping in a sleeping bag was very uncomfortable. Let's continue with 成功。成功 It means to succeed. 我嘅朋友成功說服我去露營。Pop quiz. We learned the word 說服 before. Do you remember what it means? If you need a reminder, you can go back and watch my Easter lesson. Now, back to 成功。我嘅朋友成功說服我去露營。My friend successfully convinced me to go camping. Let's look at 停車場。停車場 This word means parking lot. 我哋開車到郊野公園嘅停車場。We drove to the parking lot of the country park. Then we have 營地。營地 This is the term for campsite. 我哋行10分鐘到營地。We walk for 10 minutes to the campsite. Moving on. 設施。設施This refers to facilities. 呢個營地嘅設施好簡單。The campsite had very basic facilities. Up next, 水龍頭。水龍頭 This is the word for faucet. 呢個營地冇水龍頭，淨係有溪水。The campsite didn't have a faucet, only a stream. Next vocab is 流動廁所。流動廁所 It means portable toilet. 呢個營地有流動廁所。The campsite has a portable toilet. Finally, 毛毛雨。毛毛雨 which means drizzle. 半夜突然落毛毛雨。It suddenly started drizzling in the middle of the night. Let's quickly review the keywords we covered today. Please repeat after me. 露營 camping 抗拒 to be against 睡袋 sleeping bag 成功 to succeed 停車場 parking lot 營地 campsite 設施 facilities 水龍頭 faucet 流動廁所 portable toilet 毛毛雨 drizzle Before we wrap up, let's do a quick listening quiz. The questions are based on today's journal entry. I'll first ask each question in Cantonese and give you a few seconds to think about what the question is asking. Then, I'll repeat the question in English and give you a few more seconds to think of your answer. Some questions will include the vocabulary we learned today, while for others, the answer will be one of our new vocabulary words. First question. 我同朋友喺幾日前做咩? What did my friend and I do a few days ago? 我同朋友喺幾日前去露營. I went camping with my friend a few days ago. Second question. 我之前對露營點? How did I feel about camping before? 我之前對露營好抗拒. I used to be very against camping. Third question. 我覺得瞓喺乜嘢好辛苦. What did I think was really uncomfortable to sleep in? 我覺得瞓睡袋好辛苦. I thought sleeping in a sleeping bag was really uncomfortable. Moving on. 我嘅朋友有冇成功說服我去露營? Did my friend successfully convince me to go camping? 我嘅朋友成功說服我去露營. My friend successfully convinced me to go camping. Next question. 我哋開車到郊野公園嘅邊度? Where did we drive to in the country park? 我哋開車到郊野公園嘅停車場. We drove to the parking lot of a country park. Let's try this one. 我哋行10分鐘去邊度? Where did we walk to after 10 minutes? 我哋行10分鐘到營地. We walked for 10 minutes to the campsite. Up next. 呢個營地嘅咩好簡單? What was very basic at the campsite? 呢個營地嘅設施好簡單. The campsite had very basic facilities. Moving on. 呢個營地冇咩? What didn't the campsite have? 呢個營地冇水龍頭. The campsite didn't have faucet. Next question. 呢個營地嘅廁所係點樣? What kind of toilet did the campsite have? 呢個營地有流動廁所. The campsite has a portable toilet. Final question. 半夜突然落幾大雨? How heavy was the rain in the middle of the night? 半夜突然落毛毛雨. It suddenly started drizzling in the middle of the night. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!